Yeah, Ali Madad. The last time we talked about what conflict is. Today we will talk about strategies to manage conflict. So, what can we do to resolve conflict? Firstly, we need to listen actively. This means listening with our eyes, ears, and our heart. We listen to understand the underlying emotion the person is conveying. Research shows that it is common for people to think they're listening while they're actually thinking what to say next. Think how you feel when people really listen to what you're saying. Do you feel happy, heard? They feel the same. If someone has a different perspective from me and I attempt to understand their perspective by truly listening, I might learn something new. However, the hardest part is actually actively listening to someone when I believe I'm correct. This is where conflict starts. Secondly, stay focused in the present so that you can view the current situation as an opportunity for resolving old hurts and resentments. Thirdly, choose what to address. Remember, it takes two people to keep an argument going. You can choose to disengage from a conflict even if you disagree. Fourthly, forgive and apologize. We must give up the urge to punish or seek revenge. Maulana Hazrat has repeatedly told us to treat people with dignity and respect, as revenge is not in the spirit of Islam. Additionally, the power of a sincere apology plays a key role in resolving conflict. And finally, offer solutions in a constructive, creative, and respectful manner that will benefit all. This reminds me of a story about Imam Ali to do with a man who left 17 camels to his three sons in his will. To the first son, he left half the camels. To the middle, he left a third. And to the youngest, he left a ninth of the camels. The three sons got into an argument because, of course, 17 doesn't divide by 2, 3, or 9. In desperation, the brothers consulted Hazrat Ali, who was known to be very fair and wise. Hazrat Ali listened attentively and offered to lend them a camel to resolve their issue. The first son took his half, which was 9 camels. The second took his third, which was 6. The youngest took his ninth, which was 2 camels. Adding 9, 6, and 2 gives 17, so they gave back the remaining camel to Hazrat Ali. The outcome of this creative solution led to a win-win situation that everyone thought was fair. When we seek to resolve our differences, it results in harmony and peace, and we can move ahead with a positive feeling that a huge and heavy emotional burden has finally left our shoulders. Thank you for listening, and Ya Ali Mother.